Hello my channel subscribers and new visitors. In this tutorial we're going to solve the problem of the hosted network that couldn't be started or wasn't supported with 5 tips. This error message appears when you want to connect a Windows 10 PC directly in Wi-Fi or ad hoc Wi-Fi to another PC. As you can see, the hosted network couldn't start. It's a mandatory condition for the Windows 10 PC to be able to create an ad hoc Wi-Fi network. Go to the command prompt as administrator. Copy paste or type the command netsh wlan star hosted network. The answer is that the hosted network couldn't be started. Tip number 1. Disable Enable Wi-Fi Network CAD. Click Start, Settings, Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Change Adapter Settings. In the list of network connection, right-click on your PC's Wi-Fi Network CAD. Disable, then enable the CAD. Go back to the command prompt to check the status of the hosted network. The hosted network couldn't be started. Tip number 2. Activate energy saving from the Wi-Fi network CAD. Go to Device Manager. Go to Network Adapters. Right-click on the Wi-Fi Network CAD. Properties. Power Management. Check Allow the computer to turn off the CAD to save energy. Go back to the command prompt and check if the hosted network has been able to start or not. The hosted network couldn't be started. Tip number 3. Update the Wi-Fi adapter driver. Go to Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter, Update Driver. Search Update Driver software automatically. Go back to the command prompt. Go back to the command prompt to check the status of the hosted network. The hosted network couldn't be started. Tip number 4. Enable all adapters, Microsoft Hosted Network Virtual Wi-Fi and or Microsoft Direct Virtual Adapter. Go to Device Manager. Go to View and tick Show Hidden Devices. Develop network adapters. Right-click on adapters. Enable adapters. In this example, all adapters are already enabled. Go back to command prompt to check the status of the hosted network. The hosted network couldn't be started. None of these 4 tips work in my example. I hope there's at least one tip that started the network hosted in Windows 10 for you. In fact, Windows 10 doesn't integrate ad hoc Wi-Fi network base, unlike Windows 7. We aren't going to admit defeat, and we're going to try one last tip. Tip number 5. Use a USB Wi-Fi adapter. In the list of Wi-Fi adapters, disable the internal Wi-Fi adapter named here Wi-Fi. Enable the USB Wi-Fi adapter, named here Wi-Fi 2. Go back to command prompt to check the status of the hosted network. We see that the hosted network has started.